I came across the story and I thought to share. I would like you to drop your thoughts and comments on the comment section. So let's go right into the story as we make this abacha known as African salad. On our wedding day, I couldn't help but notice something not right. My wife didn't cry like most brides do. How can I demand cry and she won't cry? I've seen so many women get emotional on their big day, tearfully walking down the aisles or during their vows. But the question kept coming to my mind, does she even love me? It became even more clear as the day went on. While everyone was celebrating, she seems more interested in the gifts and the money than in the emotional aspect of our wedding. I have hoped for a little more tears, at least crying just to show that this day meant something deep to her. But instead, she smiled, took the present, and enjoyed the party. I couldn't help but feel a little disappointed. It made me wonder if she was in love with me or if the whole thing was about the material side of things. I started questioning myself if this was a normal reaction. Is it possible that some people don't cry at their wedding? Maybe I was overthinking it. But with everything I heard about weddings being so emotional, I couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. Was I expecting too much? I wanted to believe she loved me. But this lack of tears and focus on the gifts left me feeling unsure. So, what do you guys think about this story? Earlier, when I saw the story, I was just laughing because where I come from, I don't think it is even necessary for you to cry as a bride. After all, it's your big day. You're supposed to be happy. You're meant to celebrate with your friends and family, put on that smiling face and all that. I really don't think crying is actually a thing in Africa. Yeah. But I think in the Western world, it is normal for them to cry, especially when they are walking down the aisles, when they are taking their vows. It is actually normal for them. So I would like you guys to tell me what you think about the story. Now, my question is it really necessary for a woman to cry on her wedding day? Do share your thoughts under the comment section and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more video. See you on the next one and bye for now.